Mold isn't just unsightly, it can pose serious health risks for your family or employees. Exposure to mold can cause allergies, respiratory issues, and even structural damage if left untreated. Our trained team uses biocides, advanced cleaning equipment, and proper protective gear to remove mold safely. We correct moisture levels to prevent it from returning. Third-party testing confirms that the mold is gone and your home or business is safe.
Panhandle Cleaning Restoration, and we're gonna save you.
This has been a Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration Minute. Contact us today to protect your property from mold.